Hello everyone, so you just finished doing the Notice and Wonder, and I just wanted to go over and point out a few key things in this table that you guys can see. So one of the things you guys can see in cosine is if you're looking at this top half right here, it is actually going to be repeated here in this bottom half. It is going to repeat itself, and it's said to be periodic. This portion and this portion are equal. And then what happens is it just repeats itself over and over and over again. Every iteration, you guys will see that as we go on into the next cycle. Same thing here with sine. This half and this half they appear to be the same numbers except for one little minute detail, that there is a negative here and there is a positive in front of each of these. One of the other things that you guys should have noticed that was different is this is 1, this is 0. You could have also noticed across from here, you might have seen something along the lines of these 0.87s are very, very similar, and these 0.5s, same sort of idea. Okay. For tangent, some of you guys might recall that when you find tangent, tangent is equal to, tang of theta is equal to sine of theta over cosine of theta. If you were to take and divide these values for it, you would take, for this first one, tangent of negative pi over 2, you would take sine, which is negative 1, and you would divide it by 0, which is actually undefined. And you guys could have went through and you could have used this ratio to find it for each of these. Tan of negative pi over 3 would have given you guys, what is that, negative 0.87 divided by 0.5, and what would that be? This would be negative 1.74. Okay, so those are just a few things that you guys could have noticed. You should have noticed that it repeats itself, that they have similar numbers that are in common, and cosine and sine, and to find tangent, you just use your tangent ratio. Thank you guys very much. We're going to be moving on to the next section.